2012 INFINITI G37. What we got done on it, still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then it wires back out. So I guess that's their way of X pipe. And then we did a resonator delete right there and right there. When we kept the muffler, these come with a gigantic muffler. As you guys can see, he didn't want it too loud. So we'll see how she sounds. So it's just got a resonator delete on it. There it is. INFINITI G37, 2012. There's the two resonators we took off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? You want it louder? It's perfect. Sound decibels. Move that away from the sun. Again? Can't. Again? One more? Sound decibels at 102. Go ahead and back it up.
Is it alright if I like set up my camera and do a flat pass?
Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. INFINITI G35. Give it gas. Go again. Go again.